Welcome to my channel 5 Best Tools Hub. Here are the top 5 angle grinder. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Angle grinder. The multifunctional cordless electric angle grinder is a powerful and convenient tool for various cutting, grinding, and polishing tasks. With its 16.8V rechargeable battery and high-speed 28,000 RPM motor, it delivers strong performance and smooth operation. The cordless design ensures flexibility and easy handling, making it ideal for home and professional use. It works efficiently on metal, wood, and stone surfaces. Overall, this grinder offers excellent value, durability, and precision for all-around and workshop applications. Number 2. Angle grinder. The Electric Goddess 125 100mm brushless angle grinder is a powerful and efficient cordless tool, compatible with Makita 18V batteries. Its brushless motor delivers strong performance with less heat and longer lifespan, ideal for grinding, cutting, and polishing tasks. It offers smooth speed control and stable operation. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and better precision. Compact yet durable, this grinder is perfect for enthusiasts and professionals seeking reliable performance without the hassle of cords. Excellent value overall. Number 3. Angle grinder. The Onovan 125mm brushless angle grinder delivers powerful and efficient performance for cutting, grinding, and polishing tasks. Its brushless motor ensures longer life, less heat, and stable power output. With 6 adjustable speeds, it offers great control for various materials and applications. The cordless design provides excellent mobility, and compatibility with Makita batteries makes it highly convenient. Ergonomically built and well-balanced, this tool is ideal for both professionals and users seeking durability, power, and versatility in one compact unit. Number 4. Angle grinder. The Nubini 125mm brushless cordless electric angle grinder is a powerful and efficient tool designed for versatility. With 3 adjustable speed gears, it handles cutting, grinding, and polishing tasks with ease. The brushless motor ensures longer life, lower noise, and reduced maintenance. Its compatibility with Makita batteries adds convenience for existing users. The ergonomic design offers comfort and control during extended use. Ideal for both and professional projects, this grinder delivers excellent performance and value. Number 5. Angle grinder. The 125mm brushless angle grinder cordless powered tool is a durable and efficient choice for cutting, grinding, and polishing tasks. Its brushless motor delivers strong performance with less heat and longer lifespan. Compatible with Makita batteries, it offers cordless convenience and high portability for workshop or on-site jobs. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip and precise control. Ideal for metal, stone, and auto repair work, this grinder provides reliable power and smooth operation for professionals and users alike. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.